It's one thing the floor looking great,
Yeah.
but how good a quality is the stuff that you're putting down?
It is very good. I mean, we are ISO 9001 accredited, which means our process is heavily tested from start to finish.
Right.
With
By an independent body?
Independent body, yeah. So it's an international standard. So independents come in and they make sure we're adhering to that standard.
Yeah. So does that mean that there's an independent organisation that come in and they have a look at what you do?
Yes.
They work their way through it, and if at the end of it you're brilliant, they give you the accreditation.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
You hit it right on the chin. Yeah, we pride ourselves on being UK manufacturers.
That's a big deal for me.
Yeah, yeah.
Because in particular, let's say that I wanted to expand from that unit to take on the white one over there as well.
Yeah.
And I want to have a product which is exactly the same.
Yeah, the same stuff with the same exact colour which you ordered in the first place. So there's no differences in deviations from, like, for instance,
Exactly.
yours is the light grey.
Yeah.
So if seeing an old patch versus a new patch, you don't want to see any inconsistencies
Yeah, no,
there,
absolutely.
when they meet. So
Yeah.
So again, that's all part of why we're at 9001 accredited.
Right, well that pretty much answers my question. So it's made here in the UK,
Yeah.
and you've got this ISO 9001 thing.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
it's pretty damn good quality.
Yeah, ticks all the boxes.
As good as you can get?
I'd say so.
Globally speaking, how would you compare to the rest of them?
I'd definitely say we've got the X factor, but for people of your generation, I'll say top of the pops.
Top of the pop?
Yeah.
You're not... cheeky get.